Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts. Another day and another Kenwood being done. This is going into a Toyota RAV4 with all the steering controls working. This is a 6-volt camera, so it's always a nightmare and you have to use relays and so forth. So we've now got the camera working as well. Customer had the original radio that was beginning to fail and Toyota wanted a lot of money for one. So it was either a repair or replacement. It didn't have Apple CarPlay, didn't have Android Auto, DAB wasn't the best, so we've opted for this unit, and I think we're on a winner with this one. So this is a Kenwood 8021, supplied and fitted, and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme, so you get a 3-year warranty with this, not like the internet. If something like this interests you, then please come and see us and we'll be happy to help. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.